Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I have a banger for you, all right? So it's Wednesday. We got Wisdom Wednesday today later on, right? At 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern, we're going live for Wisdom Wednesday. So be sure to be on the live because I got some heat for you guys, all right? I'm going to share some wisdom. You already know how we get down. I wanted to do a trade of the day because I love consistency. It's been a crazy day in the market today, and also earlier yesterday was a crazy day in the market as well. Okay, so we smacked some plays. I had like a 30-minute trading day. We was off the Discord at like 7:10, 7:15, right? So it don't take forever to make some good money in the stock market, right? So if you're just watching this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, all right? Every single day I'm bringing information to you that could change your life, all right? So for today's trade of the day, what we got is we got Shopify. All right. I smacked Shopify for 87%. 87%. That's almost 100%, right? I got like I traded them again today as well, and I got like 11%, 12%. So really it was like 100% total on Shopify today alone. All right. And I traded IWM. The market has so many beautiful setups today. You could have, at the beginning of the market, you could have got in almost any company, rolled puts down, and then 45 minutes later, an hour later, you could have rolled calls up, right? Now, I know it's not that easy and it's not that simple, but that's what happened. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about this. It was actually a swing trade, okay? It was a swing trade, 87%. So what I'm going to do is, you already know, I'm going to bring out the iPad and we're gonna get to it. All right, as you can see right here, we got Shopify, right? So what I want to bring your attention to is this gap right here. All right, so check this out, y'all. So Shopify had earnings down here, so from here to here. Okay, I want to bring y'all attention to that right there. Now let me pull it up a little bit. All right, boom, right? So we got this level right here, okay, this white line. That is where Shopify gapped up from for earnings, right? So then you see, yesterday, this line right here is what I saw, okay? This candle right here, okay? You see that candlestick right there? So what happened was I saw that it was on a 3-bar. This is an engulfing candle, right? Engulfing candle. I saw that we were inside of the gap, okay? We were inside of the gap as of yesterday. I'll show you right here. All right, as of yesterday, right here, okay? So watch this. All right, so you guys see the top white line, right? So this candle right here that I was pointing to, right? That candle right there, that's an engulfing candle. Now, it closed yesterday below the support of the previous candle. Okay? Hear what I'm saying? It closed yesterday below the previous candle's low. And it was inside of the gap, right? It was inside of the gap and it closed below the previous candle. That's what made me enter into the trade. We already had a crazy bearish sentiment on the day, right? Yesterday. And that was so much selling pressure that it made sense for stocks to come lower. I didn't expect stocks to stay down, and as you can see, look at Shopify recovering right here. Look at Shopify recovering right there, right? So the first 30 minutes, the market dropped some more. It tried to come up first, and then it dropped some more, right? But as you can see, it had that engulfing candle, and it closed below the previous day's support. So I entered into some puts, right? I entered into puts. And by the time the market opened, my puts were in the money, right? My puts were in the money. I woke up 87%, right? It came up, came down, whatever. I got filled a little bit higher. And then what ended up happening was, let's go to the 15-minute. Okay, as you can see, right here, right, it came down. It came down right here, right? It tried to come up at first, and the first 15-minute candle came down. So I actually took a trade on them right here, okay? I took another trade on them right here, okay? So I actually took an entry on this candle, and then I was able to write it down to right here. All right. So I swung traded them, made 87%, got in up here, and then I wrote it down some more, and we was good to go. Simple as that, y'all. It is simple as that. And as you can see, it is on the recovery right now. All stocks almost look the same. Today might have been one of your easiest trading days. Yesterday was very easy too if you were trading in the afternoon. It was very easy. Everything was just coming down, right? But this is how we get down. This is how we get down. This was a swing trade, 87%. Then I got another trade, over 100% on my money. Less than 30 minutes in the market today. Done deal. Also hit IWM as well. Okay? Once you learn this skill set, you will never, ever, ever be able to have somebody tell you what you could do, what you can do, what you can't do, all of that stuff, right? Trading is the cheat code. It is the life hack. I highly recommend you guys to learn how to trade and take it seriously. Okay? We do this every single day in the Discord. I do this every single day. Before we had a Discord, before I had YouTube, right? We was doing this every single day. So listen, y'all. If you want to, come trade with us. Book a one-on-one with me, right? Come get in the markets. I cannot express the importance of learning how to trade. In 5 years, you're going to wish you started today. Stop procrastinating. Stop playing games, right? It's time to get in the game. We got you covered. All you got to do is come on in. Anybody in the Discord can vouch. All right? So, tonight at 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern, we got Wisdom Wednesday Live. Be sure to be on the live. I'm going to drop some heat on you guys, okay? So, I'm going to see you guys later on. I appreciate y'all time. I appreciate y'all tapping in, all right? What do I always say? Let's make sure you get up out of your head and you go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live, all right? And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry, all right? I appreciate y'all time. I'm going to catch you guys later on today. Stay smooth.